How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. So if your videos have no sound on Snapchat, you can start with the basics. So you can just go ahead and check for your phone's volume and mute switch. So make sure it is of course on, but then make sure Snapchat has permission to use your microphone. It's usually gonna be done inside your settings. So just go ahead inside your settings. You're gonna have to navigate yourself to your apps, and then you're gonna search for Snapchat specifically. So we're gonna search for it right now, and here we have Snapchat. Go to the app permissions and make sure the microphone is toggled on and has access and allow only while using the app. Other than that, you can go ahead and try restarting the app and clearing the cache if the issue does continue. You can go ahead back to the Snapchat app info here in clear data and then just press on clear cache. If you are on iOS, you can go ahead and try offloading the app. Also check if your phone is connected to Bluetooth devices. You can go ahead and try turning that off since audio may be routed there instead. Snapchat also recommends keeping the app updated and ensuring your device software is current, as outdated versions can cause media issues. So those are a few things you can put in mind if your video sound isn't working. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's